I'm James Halpin from Boston Whaler from our Edgewater, Florida campus. Today I'll be going through a video of how to start, stop, and run your generator. First thing you're going to want to do is make sure that the boat is in the water. The next thing you'll want to do is you'll go to the cabin. Once we come to the cabin, I'll turn on the house switch, the generator power, and your bilge blower. You're going to want to run the bilge blower for 4 minutes to make sure that you can evacuate any fumes that may be holding up from the gas tanks before you start anything. Once you've run this for 4 minutes, you'll then go back to the bilge and manually check that everything is clear as well as your seacocks are open. So I'll head there now. Now that we've run the bilge blower for 4 minutes, we'll come down here and we'll make sure that we don't smell any gasoline vapors, as well as make sure that the seacock is open for the generator to run. Once we've done that, we can head back to the cabin and start the generator. Now that we've ensured that there are no gasoline vapors in the bilge, we can come here, we can hit the power on button for the unit. Once that comes up, we can then hit the start stop button to run the system. Now that you've started your generator, you want to go back to the starboard aft gunnel and make sure that you have good water flow before you turn any of the switches on. The starboard aft side of the gunnel has the generator exhaust. You can clearly see the good water flow. This will make sure that nothing overheats. Now that the power is on and there's good water flow, I can come in here and turn on each of the generator breaker switches to start the power to each line. Once these are on, I can then choose each individual switch. In this case, the AC pump and cabin AC from line 1 and deck AC from line 2. It's important to realize that you can't turn on every switch all at once because there are load management and you'll end up tripping them. You'll find through usage which ones you can use. For instance, if your batteries are low and you turn on the charger switches, they may take a few minutes for the draw before you can turn on your AC or it'll trip. Once you're done using everything for the day, you come back and switch everything off here first. Turn your breakers off before shutting off your generator. You'll then hold the stop button. It'll send a stop to the generator or shuts down. You can then turn off the power with the on-off switch. You can come over here and turn your generator power off at the panel. Now that you're done using your generator for the day, you can go back and close your seacock. This will ensure no water can come through the system when you're not using it. You want to refer to your owner's manual for all service intervals and be sure to use a certified technician always. Thank you for watching this video, and be sure to hit the like button and click the bell to follow all the new how-to videos from Boston Whaler. Thank you.